Look out, look out. Well, what we seen right there is all the odds. Somebody was giving odds. I know somebody fell for it. Dang, man.
Sometimes you get Christmas in July, you hear me?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, sometimes you get Christmas in July.
Dang. Sound like damn, it done toe up, y'all. Damn. Damn. Shout out to my boy Mac Daddy, detail. Hey. Damn. Sound to die. Okay, we got this fast Mustang. Should come up here and make a pass. Look out, look out. No, I don't want it.
Them odds came in just right.
Oh, they did?
That's right, baby. Them odds came in right. I told you.
Oh, man. Look out, look out. We live on my YouTube channel. Look out Racing. Y'all check it out, man. We got about 200 people. We trying to grow it up. We got 2,500 people on TikTok. Hey, y'all. Where y'all from anyway? Where my TikTokers from? Once y'all get to my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing, y'all let me know so I can give you a shout out. Okay, we got Delaware, Wisconsin, Oklahoma, Detroit, Oklahoma, Columbus, Georgia. Look out, Iowa. Got a lot of people. Get over here. Damn, South Africa. What you doing over there? Minnesota. New Mexico. I want to go over there. I ain't never been there. I want to go to Kansas City, Utah. Hey, how much is gas over there? How much is gas over there in Utah? I heard it was high over there. South Carolina, Rhode Island. I want to go there too. I like that name. I ain't never been there. Okay, here we go, y'all. For widescreen, y'all get on my YouTube channel. TikTok, y'all. 5 hours in Oklahoma, 5 in Kentucky. Okay. We did a good burnout. Do I got any more people coming over from TikTok to my YouTube? Check out this HD widescreen, put it on your TV. We're gonna be racing all night. Make sure y'all share. There's a couple buttons I want y'all to press since y'all watching for the free. Yeah, press some buttons for me. Please.
The staging lanes are closed.
The staging
Do not bring
lanes.
any more cars to the lanes.
Please
We
do
will
not.
run what we have and then call it a night.
Call it a night.
Once again, the lanes are closed.
Once again, the lanes are closed. Look out, all my TikTokers that's watching, man. We trying to grow this YouTube channel. About 25,000. We at 21. He got up out of there. It don't show that I'm live on YouTube. I got 210 people watching. Cole Walsh, you still in here? Brian Henderson. Let me make sure you. Rapid Transit. I'll let you know right quick. Make sure my YouTube's still live. Oh, CJ the Goat says it's not showing. Oh, okay, Cole Waltz, he say he up in there. Okay, Brian Henderson, he up in there. Yeah, y'all checking out my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. I got him in there. We live. KT stay flying there. Gab